Hello guys, girls. So yesterday I posted a video about Nintendo 64, about finding an older TV so you wouldn't get the no signal issue. Well, so I have all the older hookups, the 3-prong, the video in and out, and all that stuff, the red, white, yellow connectors for the Nintendo. Well, I was moving my smaller TV that had all those connections on the back of it, which it was working fine, and it wasn't having intermittent shutting off or anything like that. So I was going to store my new Roku TV, and when I went to pick it up, I realized it had, this is a new TV now, it has those 3 outputs. It also has a cable hookup to where you can, I can't remember what they're called, but like the old school, like the 8-bit Nintendos and the Super NES had that little box thing that you would screw onto the cable connector, and then you would screw your cable to the end of that little cable that was sticking off of it. But anyway, with all that being said, so I tried connecting it to the new TV, the new Roku TV. Sorry about the sun shining in. I tried to fix that, but anyway, I connected it to the Roku through the video audio outputs. Now mind you, okay, I've got like a 40-inch screen. When you connect it up, it blocks it in. So for whatever reason, it won't let the entire screen, the Nintendo won't open up to the entire screen. So there's about 6 inches on each side. I mean, it looks like, you know, it's blocked in. But anyway, so I connected it up and turned it on, connected up that way. And it worked fine. It's a little blocky because of the high definition screen compared to Nintendo 64. Well, I played it and let it sit. If it was gonna do whatever, shut down, whatever, and disconnect and restart, it did not do that. So if you can find you a newer TV that has the audio, video in and outs, you can connect like you would normally connect to an old TV with the Nintendo to a new TV if you have those video, audio hookups. You don't have to use the HDMI. The HDMI is the one they're having all the problems with. That's the one I was having the problems with. It would play for a while. You would turn it on, it would boot up, you would play it for a little while, and then it would cut off. Well, I think I've solved connect it the way it's supposed to be connected through the audio in and outs, you should not have any problem. You shouldn't have the don't try to use the HDMI connector, because it's just really not designed to work that way. So, with that being said, peace out. I'm not going to drag this on. Connect it up the way it's supposed to be connected. Leave the HDMI alone, and your Nintendo should work just fine. There you go. Peace out. Be good to each other, and see you next time.